Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Quick Toggle Contractions, I'm going to show you how the custom contraction list works with the flip apostrophe command. I'm in Eclipse and I have a document open, and within this document are a number of contractions throughout each of these sentences. And I'm going to show you how you can contract and uncontract entries like this using the custom contraction table. I'm going to first go to my user settings, to the programming tab, and then there is a contractions section. I'll double click on this or click on it and hit modify. And this is where all of my contractions are preloaded. And you'll see that my list might look a little bit different than yours because I have added a few in this list. To create a new contraction, you first type in the first word, a plus sign, and then the second word. Next, I'll do an equal sign, and I'm going to type in the contraction itself. And you see that I have a number of contractions listed in this list, and you can add any that are appropriate for the kind of work that you end up doing. I'm going to press OK and OK. And if I put my cursor on one of these contractions, I can hit the flip apostrophe command, which by default is Alt-A in Eclipse. And you see that that contraction is automatically changed to the root words that I have specified in my contraction table. And I can do the same thing with all of these contractions in this document. And if I'd like to turn something back into a contraction, I can mark those words and press Alt-A once more. And it will turn it back into the appropriate contraction as I have specified under Alt-U, Programming, Contractions. For words that are a single word like cannot, you don't have to mark it first in order to contract it. But for entries that are multiple words, simply mark them first and hit Alt-A in order to turn those entries back into contractions. And again, I can go through each of these options and simply press Alt-A, and each of these entries is changed back to the root word that I specified. And it's as simple as that to contract and uncontract based on your own personal preferences, which you can specify in the contractions table in the programming tab. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached anytime with any question, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.